So today we are going to make the most delicious chicken fajitas.
This one's a really good one just for general balance. So it's a really good evening meal. It's really great to have with the family. Everyone generally enjoys chicken fajitas.
So what we're going to do to start with is talk you through the ingredients. So we've got a couple of chicken breasts that I've chopped up here. We're going to put them into a marinade. We've got a teaspoonful of this delicious hot smoked paprika. You can get sweet smoked paprika as well, which is really nice, but we like things a bit hot, don't we?
Yeah.
So we've got a teaspoon of ground coriander, a little bit of cumin. We're going to go for half a teaspoon of cumin, and then literally just a pinch of cayenne pepper to give it a bit of heat.
Spicy.
Then we're going to add some olive oil. These are massive spoons, so we'll go for two spoons of olive oil, and then finish it off with some lime juice. Where's my fork? Oh, here it is.
Hiding.
Great. So if you can't be bothered to find your juicer, just stick a fork in your lemon or lime and twist it round, and then you'll get all the juice comes out really well. Last but not least, we have got garlic. This again is a bit of a shortcut using one of these little graters to crush your garlic. If you've got time, I would then put it in the fridge for up to 24 hours, and you get really, really, really good flavour from it. So the salsa, we've just got some avocado. I think salsa is really nice if we can chop it up really quite small.
Yeah, okay.
Avocado, tomato, coriander, some cucumber, and then we're going to just add some lime juice and olive oil. So very, very simple, really nice.
I've got an interesting fact about red pepper for you.
Oh, thank you.
So a lot of people tend to go straight for the oranges when they're ill because they want more vitamin C.
Yeah.
But actually, a red pepper has more vitamin C than an orange. So if you're ever poorly and want to boost your vitamin C levels, go for a red pepper. So
red pepper soup.
Chicken fajitas.
Chicken fajitas, yeah. I love red peppers. Actually, I could eat red peppers like an apple. Sometimes
me too.
I do that, yeah. Right, so I've done the red pepper. I'll get on with the yogurt sauce now, which is really, really simple. So we've just got some yogurt. We're going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper. Mix that round. And a little bit of cumin. Mix that up, put that aside, and give that about 5 minutes for all the flavours to infuse. This recipe is in my book, Go Faster Food for Your Active Family. Lots and lots and lots of really quick and easy recipes in there. I'm going to start cooking the chicken.
Right.
We're ready to go. Here we go. Chicken's going in. If you want to speed things up even further, then just cut the chicken smaller. It'll cook quicker. Oh, this chicken is smelling good. How are you getting on with the salsa?
Good. I'm ready to mix.
Good. Give that a mix around. Have you got some olive oil and lime in there?
And lime juice.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Maybe
Should
a little bit
of salt?
Salt and pepper. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. See, I'm going to now just pop the peppers in. The other thing that you could do is use maybe kidney beans or something.
Okay. It's really good if you're a vegetarian as well to combine different sources of plant-based protein. So plant-based proteins, some of them lack some of the essential amino acids that you find. So having a variety of kind of beans and pulses mixed with different grains.
Right, I think we're ready to arrange our wraps. Let's go for it.
Excellent.
Couple of plates. This is easy.
And we just warmed these in the oven for a couple of minutes just to warm them up.
So I'm going. Do you want chicken first then?
Yes, please.
Okay. There we go.
Lovely, thank you. I'm going to go for my yogurt next.
Rocket.
Yeah.
Oh yum. Oh yum. And salsa.
Salsa.
The art of wrapping a wrap. Okay, let's see if we can do it. Curl it over that way, and then roll. Oh, there's far too much on this wrap. Roll it over.
Let's see if I can do it.
And doop, there we go. Chicken fajitas with avocado salsa and yogurt sauce. Very delicious.
Yum.